The new fuel cordless grinder works as well as any corded grinder I've ever used.
I couldn't tell the difference between the cordless 9-inch angle grinder and a plug-in grinder. You could take down welds, you can chamfer steel to prepare for welds.
You can lean into the grinder as much as you need and it's not underpowered.
It's not as heavy as a regular corded grinder and it's very powerful.
The new 9-inch fuel grinders with the 9-inch wheel, you got more cut depth and you got more grinding capability before you need to change wheels.
It's unique for a cordless grinder to have the option to run a 7-inch or a 9-inch.
With a 12.0 battery pack, I did everything that I needed to do today, and there was still battery life in it.
Milwaukee 12.0 has plenty of power to run all day.
It is a perfect tool for everything that we do.
I think the new fuel grinder is an amazing asset.